Hello, my name is Susan, and I'm a 62-year-old woman that retired, and I sold my house, and I'm traveling the world on my bicycle. I hope you will join me for my adventure. Thank you. Anytime I get a hotel room, especially if it's been a while, I do laundry. And if there's not a washing machine, then I have to do it in the sink. And so I just figured I'd walk you through this. Sometimes when you're at a hotel, the sink doesn't have a stopper, so I'm going to try to stop it with my sock. See if I can get some water in here. And it usually works decent enough to be able to wash. So my riding clothes, I wear smart wool underwear. My outdoor research mountain biking shorts, so no pad, and my cycling jersey, sports bra, socks, and then sometimes calf sleeves. And I just get them in here and get them all wet. And add some soap. We've got a couple of different choices here. I usually try to go with the one that has the least amount of smell. So that's pretty good. Just add that in there to get some soap. And depending on how long it has been since I've washed clothes and how dirty they are, sometimes I go through the soap and water process a couple of times. I mean, you can usually tell by the color of the water what you need to do. In this case, it has not been that long since I washed clothes, and honestly, the main smell that my clothes have is from smoke in the restaurants, which is really unpleasant. And so here you can smoke inside, outside, anywhere you want to. And so sitting inside a restaurant, especially if you're a little bit sweaty, it's like your clothes take on that odor. All right, so then I drain the water, just kind of squeeze the clothes to get as much of the sudsy water out. And then I normally do a couple of sinkfuls of water to rinse. Some of the smaller items I just rinse as it's filling up, but usually the shorts and the jersey, I want to swish them around in some clean water. Alright. Boring little tasks of cycle touring. When I'm doing long distance backpacking, I have a similar routine of washing my clothes in the sink if there's no laundry facility. Alright, so that's good. And then the last thing I do is I lay them on a towel and roll it up and walk on it. Let's see, just a little bit more rinse. So I got some bubbles. I really do like these outdoor research mountain biking shorts because they do not have a seam that goes right through the middle of the crotch. And so they are seamless where your tender parts hit the seat. And so that's That allows me to ride without padded shorts, which has been really nice. I never would have thought that would have been my choice, but pretty quickly I figured out that the chamois, when you're riding day after day and camping, it's just so hard to keep it clean. And since I sent my chamois shorts home, I've had absolutely no problems. All right, so that's my whole kit right there. And I just roll it up in the towel. And then I do this thing where I walk on it to get all the water, excess water out. And then I just go around the room and hang my clothes up to get them to dry. And since they're quick dry material for the most part, they're usually dry by the next morning when I'm ready to ride. So there you go. There's hotel room laundry for the long distance cyclist or backpacker. Right, this room was nice enough to actually have a drying rack. So I've got my clothes drying there. I'll do it this way. One more comment about the not riding with the chamois shorts, but just wearing the seamless shorts and the underwear, is that I really like my seat, and it's specifically designed for a woman. It's, I think, the Live Advanced seat. And so I think this seat also is part of that equation of allowing me not to wear the chamois. But the three combined, I mean, I've met so many cyclists along the way that have been having problems with saddle sores and irritation with their chamois, or their chamois not being dry in the morning. And I've had zero problems since I've gone to this system. So yeah, it's I learned something new on this trip. So all right, I'm gonna sit and edit some videos.